how to add an app to the desktop on your Mac. So simply open your Finder and make sure to go to your applications, and we want to find the app which you want to add to your desktop. So for example, App Store. If I grab it and move it to the desktop, as you can see, it's just not here. So you have to click it and now press on your keyboard Option plus Command. At the same time, hold it and now grab the App Store or the app, move it to the desktop, and this app was moved to the desktop. So I can try it another time. If I want, for example, calculator, without holding Option and Command, nothing happened. If I click it, Option plus Command, hold it, and the calculator is here under applications. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you next time.